Signature Mall, located along Mombasa Road just past Mlolongo in an area known as Sabaki. This is our destination for the day. We are going to have some lunch and check out what's up because we have never been here. So come with me.
Know just what I gotta do. I just write a song when I think of you. So here it goes. Promises, I don't believe in those. Poetry and prose.
Now that we are here, let's go on ground floor and start scanning the place. We are going to look for a place where we are going to eat, an affordable place. So let's go.
We're about to find out, baby girl. We're about to find.
This waterfall right here is Signature Mall's signature. I'm told you haven't been to Signature Mall until you take a picture here. So that is exactly what we are about to do. So they basically have almost everything. There's Choppy Supermarket, there's Golden Ratio Restaurant, there's a flower place, there's a barbershop, a salon, a manicure, pedicure, a place where kids go to play. So it's a good place for a family fun day, yeah?
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on.
This is level 1. I believe it's first floor. As I said, you can see there is a fruit joint. Saya is a salon, a barbershop, a place for mani pedi. There's a whiskey bar. Basically, there's everything. And this place also houses Zinc Lounge, yeah? Club, yeah? Now let's go have lunch. Destination food court, which is relatively new, so we settled for Wamka restaurant. I ordered chips garlic, which was delicious, by the way. It cost 250 bob. The Fanta passion soda 120 bob, so total 370 shillings. Chicken fried rice was 300 bob.